Hi there, hope you're all having a great day. Today I would like to share my version of the Vapo Rub mix that I've been using for quite some time.
It comprises of 2 ingredients. One of them is the Easy Air Essential Oil and then the coconut oil. So I'm not quite sure if you've ever read the ingredients on a regular Vapo Rub bottle mix. It does contain, eucalyptus, nutmeg oil, cedarwood oil, menthol, all those great things that we would think that are great that would help us, with congestion and breathing and so on and so forth. However, the key thing to note is that those ingredients that they use are all synthetic, meaning they're chemical substances to imitate a natural product. So when you compare Easy Air to those ingredients, the difference is this Easy Air is 100% pure oil. There's no fillers, there's no chemical substances that are added into this bottle. So what it comprises of, it is peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ramanzara, and laurel leaf, and it's all 100% pure. So with that being said, this was perfect because I needed to make a little bit more because myself and Sage has been using it. So all you need is a tablespoon of coconut oil. I use this brand here. I find it great. And then just put it in the container. And then 4 drops of the Easy Air. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just mix it up. And there you go. So I will rub that on my chest, on my back, on my neck. Sage has been doing this for the last few days just because it helps clear his airways and helps with the congestion. It also prevents all the crazy coughing that he goes through at night. Another tip too is that I will also diffuse the Easy Air in his diffuser along with some lavender oil as well. So all that is just some water and then a few drops.
I hope you all found that useful, and if you ever have any questions about the oils I post or share, always feel free to reach out. And remember to always keep it healthy, raw, and real.